In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a pairs trade on Tradingview. A pairs trade compares the relative performance of two related instruments, so you can see which one is outperforming the other and watch for potential mean reversion. The goal here isn't to predict absolute price, but to evaluate the spread between two assets in a clean, consistent way. Start by choosing your pair and opening a fresh chart for the first asset. For example, BTC/USD. Pick instruments that belong together. Think two stocks in the same industry, two ETFs with similar exposure, or two crypto majors with the same currency. Using the same exchange listing and time frame for both symbols helps keep the data consistent and reduces pricing discrepancies that can confuse your read. Next, add the second symbol. At the top of the chart, click Compare or the small plus icon next to the symbol name. Then search and select your second instrument. Tradingview will overlay it on the same pane, so both move together over time. If the lines look too similar, change one line's color in the series settings so you can distinguish them at a glance. This overlay is the fastest way to spot divergence and convergence without jumping between charts. Switch the chart type to a line view. The line chart focuses on closing prices, which strips out intraday noise and makes relative movement easier to see. Candlesticks are great for entries and exits. But for comparison, a clean line helps your eye track direction and pace more accurately across both instruments. Now, customize the view by turning on percentage mode in the price scale. This normalizes both series from a common starting point and shows how much each has gained or lost in percent terms. When both start at 0, it becomes immediately clear which one is leading. If something looks off, confirm both symbols share the same currency and you are on the same time frame. Optionally, build a ratio chart to analyze the spread directly. In the symbol search bar, type your numerator followed by a slash and the denominator. Like BTC/USD by ETH/USD. This creates a custom spread where a rising line means the numerator is outperforming the denominator, and a falling line means the opposite. Ratio charts are excellent for spotting stretched moves and potential mean reversion areas, letting you focus on relative value instead of absolute price swings. That's the full setup. Thanks for watching.